Joan of Arc, the girl who shook an empire. From an ordinary peasant girl to one of history's most renowned heroes. This is the unbelievable true story of Joan of Arc, the teenage warrior who helped turn the tide of the 100 Years' War against all odds. Joan was born in 1412 to a peasant family in the small village of Domremy in northeastern France. From a young age, she experienced vivid visions and heard voices she believed were from God. The voices commanded her to support the uncrowned Dauphin Charles VII and save France from English conquest during the brutal 100 Years' War. At just 17 years old, the diminutive Joan convinced Charles to allow her to lead French troops into battle, an unprecedented request for a peasant woman at the time. Donning a suit of white armor, she rallied the demoralized French army, crying, "God wills it." Her first major victory came at Orleans in 1429, lifting a critical siege by the English. But Joan's victories were cut short when she was captured in 1430 by Burgundian allies of the English. She was put on trial by pro-English clergy and bishops, accused of heresy, witchcraft, and dressing as a man. Though she defended herself valiantly, the teenage warrior was ultimately condemned as a heretic and executed by burning at the stake in 1431 at just 19 years old. Though her life ended in tragedy, Joan's heroic deeds and unwavering faith made her an enduring symbol of French unity and patriotism. She helped turn the tide against the English, paving the way for their eventual defeat. Joan was later declared a martyr, beatified in 1909, and canonized as a saint by the Catholic Church in 1920, over 500 years after her death. The peasant girl who donned a suit of armor became one of history's most iconic and inspiring figures. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.